Join me as I put myself to the test and try out some crazy weight loss secrets that sound too good to be true. When it comes to losing weight quickly, there are so many so-called secrets out there that promise the world but often fail to deliver. But today, I want to share with you some fast weight loss strategies that may seem unbelievable, but are actually backed by science. Trying to lose weight quickly can be incredibly frustrating. We've all been there. You start off strong, determined to reach your goal, but then you plateau, and the scale just doesn't budge. You start to feel like you're doing something wrong, like you're just not cut out for this weight loss thing. And to make matters worse, there's so much misinformation out there that can lead you down the wrong path. Many of us have unrealistic expectations when it comes to weight loss, expecting to lose 10 pounds in a week, or thinking that we can just cut out one food group and suddenly be fit. The truth is, weight loss takes time, patience, and dedication. We need to stop comparing ourselves to others and focus on our own journey. So, how do we separate fact from fiction when it comes to weight loss? How do we know what really works and what doesn't? Well, that's what I want to explore with you today. Let's dive into some fast weight loss strategies that actually work. One of the most effective ways to lose weight quickly is through intermittent fasting. By restricting your eating window, you can boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Another strategy is high-intensity interval training, which can help you burn calories in half the time of traditional cardio. Dietary adjustments are also crucial for weight loss. By incorporating more protein into your diet, you can build lean muscle mass and boost your metabolism. And of course, let's not forget about portion control. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help keep your hunger and energy levels in check. But there's one weight loss secret that I want to share with you that may be the most surprising of all. Are you ready? It's so simple, yet so effective. It's something that I like to call the hidden habit. This habit can be done anywhere, at any time, and requires minimal effort, but can lead to significant weight loss results. The hidden habit is simply this: drinking more water. That's right, folks, staying hydrated is key to weight loss. By drinking more water, you can boost your metabolism, suppress appetite, and even improve your skin health. And the best part, it's so easy to do. Just make sure to carry a water bottle with you throughout the day, and aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day. So, there you have it, the hidden habit that can help you lose weight quickly and easily. And the best part? It's not just about the weight loss. Staying hydrated can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. Let's recap the key fast weight loss secrets we've shared today. From intermittent fasting to dietary adjustments, and of course, the hidden habit of drinking more water. These strategies can help you reach your weight loss goals quickly and effectively. Remember, weight loss is not just about physical transformation, it's about becoming a healthier, happier version of yourself. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've had any success with weight loss, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some healthy eating habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine.